Yeah, maybe you might need something behind you to get like more, soap or sponge. Like you might need to walk over and get a drink out of your duffel bag that's on the, wherever. Just get different levels. Really see what you're touching, feel what you're touching. If it's wet, cold, hot. And now the next 15 seconds, take glances at the other actors so you don't walk into their space, so you know what's there. Take glances while you're working. And when you're ready, don't rush it. You can begin to add dialogue.
I think I scratched the car.
What?
I thought it was a second dirt, and I'm like, that's not what you thought. Again? Come on, man.
How many times have we told you to cut your nails?
Jessica!
They need to be good for the homecoming day.
This is college. No one cares if you're prom queen.
Keep working as you're talking. Keep cleaning as you're working.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
It's a good thing I'm an art student.
Thank God!
Really?
Are we sure that's the right color?
Oh god.
Stop, right. This is not.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
It's burgundy.
Freeze. All right, everything you established is perfect. Stay in character, James, we're looking at that. So everything you established is right there. So you have all your characters, you're not gonna introduce anything else. But the key in the ensemble number is finding the refrain. That's that phrase that you always go back to as a group. All right, so think about you as a group have to find the refrain. And I'm gonna let James, you lead this beginning that he just put something down and it doesn't seem to match. Lewis is gonna give you an ensemble kind of a group number, feel. So, yeah, you could go back to your areas dejected. You could go back to your areas.
We've been working at this car wash for almost 10 minutes. It's the first car of the day. I scratched it. I guess 10 minutes in.
But God knows who knows what happens when we're in and out of it.
We're in
Deep trouble.
Deep trouble, deep trouble.
That old man didn't see us scratch that car. Let's pretend we didn't do it and just let it go. Pretend it was a rock.
Honestly, think he won't notice when he gets back to his
I
car.
think he can see 10 feet in front of himself. He probably has no situational awareness. But we're in deep trouble here. That car is scratched. You got the wrong color there.
Deep trouble, deep trouble.
Who drives a burgundy car anyway? Common person. Yeah, they don't drive.
Keep working, don't stand there.
Mennonites.
Keep working while you sing.
Mennonites drive cars. I know because I'm Amish. I'm offended. Thanks for that.
There we go, that's it.
But this raises the question, why are you in college if you're Amish? They don't use technology or anything like that, so why? What is going on? Don't you have to cover most of your body?
So I'm going through this belly space.
The belly is fake!
Instead of a car, I have a donkey. His name is Steven.
Deep trouble, deep trouble.
Wait, guys.
30 seconds left.
I got an idea.
She has an idea.
We take this baseball bat, we just trash the rest of
Is this because you don't like cars? Because you're Amish. Okay, let's not do that. That's literally the worst idea we've had in these 10 minutes.
We'll cover it up.
Okay, that's fine. We got this, okay? Alright,
Oops, we missed a spot.
Deep trouble, deep trouble. Dialogue. Blackout.